Okay, so yeah, that's how I got the idea. What do you guys think of the whole lockpicking thing? You're on camera, by the way.
Oh, now we're on camera.
Lockpicking for entrepreneurship, I think it's a great idea. I think it's what you need to do. You need to figure out how to pick the lock as quickly and efficiently as possible. And Larry Chang can help you do that.
And Larry Chang can.
He can.
Okay, so do you like that whole idea of where you take your iPhone out and then you just start executing some like recipes for success?
Absolutely. That's what we're doing right now, right?
What are your guys' Twitters? Because I want people to be able to find the stuff that you guys do with these locks that we pick.
At MZLALALA at Miss La La La.
MZ La La La.
Yep.
MZ 3 LAs.
Find me, but I'm at Tiffany Tweet.
Repeat.
TIFFANY, Tiffany Tweet. TWEET.
Awesome. And then also,
And we're writers.
oh yes, LA Splash.
LA Splash
Yes.
Worldwide and
Cupcake Mag.
CupcakeMag.com.
Love cupcakes.
I love cupcakes.
He loves cupcakes. Eat a cupcake in Reader Magazine.
So Empire Hotel is across the street from Lincoln Center, and I'm actually hosting something here, and I've been not getting any sleep, but the bags under the eyes, if you're my agent, okay, these bags, okay, they hide with concealer. It's a little industry trip. Life hack.